Boogie, you ready to try this shit? Yay! Whoa!
Did you hook the base up?
I don't know. Let's see what happens here. Yeah.
I'm gonna have a beer now.
How'd it come from?
My in-laws, when they got in that scuffles.
Say let's take a...
Hey, you got curly
That's
hair
the curl.
now.
Yeah, when it's wet, it curls. That's what I used to look like when I was like 3 years old. Yeah, with little curly hair. What you doing? You doing this on the floor, you booger? I hear something.
I'm gonna have one beer now.
Artie's gonna see it and go.
No, he's not.
Yep. Artie will see it, and you won't be allowed to have any more beer.
You're going to go find a girlfriend online. You said you don't go on computers.
I shouldn't have.
That's where a lot of people meet each other. Just their other half nowadays.
Oh, this is cold in here now, right?
Yeah, good. Come on, get out of there. I hope Artie comes and confiscates everything you have.
No.
Yes. I hope it's all confiscated by Artie.
No.
It's all gonna be confiscated, and you're gonna be like, no! My supply is gone! And I'm gonna sit here, because my shit is hidden on the ramps. What you doing, Boogie? Oh, you're a good stander in the way guy. Does he do that to you?
Yeah.
You just stand where you're trying to go.
Wow. This moves in my way again. Yeah, let me try not to.
Alright. Remember last night when we went through the games? Hey, have your sippy cup, Boogadoos.
It should be in there.
And this one is the regular Rocksmith. Alright, so this one's getting... he's coughing. This one's getting put over here. Where is the one that you were like with Rocksmith 2014? What did you do with it?
I gave it to you.
No, you didn't. But it's under here. No. Is it in this couch? Yeah. No. It's a sleeper sofa.
There's a bed down here, too.
And a bed down
There's
here.
Artie's papers.
Oh, yeah, look through that and see what he's talking about.
Oh, here.
No, I don't want to be bothered.
No, it's yours.
I'm sick enough already.
Discarded.
Why is there Doritos down here?
Here, just throw it in
Why is there Doritos down here?
He's eating them.
Where'd you get them?
The cupboard.
Well, put them back.
I was gonna have some more.
No, you're a mess maker. I found a big stale bag of potato chips from you underneath the bed upstairs.
No,
Yeah.
that wasn't me.
Yeah, it was. You gotta start cleaning up your beer bottles and everything.
Jimmy.
'Cause it was I remember you eating them. And you're standing right on my Rocksmith wire. Where the fuck is this game? I found it. What are you doing? I'm just gonna piss right here. John isn't allowed down here.
What?
John can't come down here.
Why?
'Cause he pissed in the fucking corner.
When?
When we used to party at the other house, he pissed downstairs.
No shit.
So now he's not allowed. What do you think, Boogie? This shit's gonna work or what? Here we go. Alright, we're turning it on. Alright, Rob,
What?
put your head to the speakers.
I'll be right back.
No! What are you doing? I need you.
I gotta put these back.
No, super botherer. Put your head to the speaker. What a botherer. I had to set everything up and you can't even check to see if they're working. Alright, that should make them work right there. They're not working?
There's no sound.
Alright, hang on. Don't watch your ears, baby. Hopefully it's not.
There's no sound on the TV.
Yes, there is.
Music?
I don't know yet.
No. It's silent.
No, it shouldn't be totally silent.
Yeah, it is.
Alright. Here we go. We're going to start making sound now, so get ready. Bless you, Booga.
There's no sound.
Oh, it should be making sounds now.
It's not.
I know, Boogie. Here. Hold this then. Alright. You're failing.
Where?
I don't know. I'm going to try to make it work. You hold that. Here we go. Come on, you gotta work. It should be making. Oh no.
That's for a record player.
Whoa. Sorry, Boogie.
Uh-uh.
Sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You just scared you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's all gone. It's gone, Boogie. It's gone. I know. I know. I know. Okay. Save file appears to be damaged. What the fuck is happening now? Oh my god. What are you shining at the floor? I can't do every fucking thing. I can't deal with her. I know, Booga. There's nothing here. Have some snacks. Have some Cheetos snacks, here. Have some Cheetos. Yum, yum, yum. The sound's gone. The mean sound is gone, Booga. Alright. Here we go. What, you heard the sound? Alright. What the hell? You can't be a camera guy. You're just a good Cheeto Dorito eater. Yeah. I can't figure it out with hurting my arms.
I got hold of them.
With your Dorito hands?
Sounds like a dirty Nintendo game.
I don't know. I can't fucking do it with her. My fucking wife is worthless. I can't fucking do everything.
My.
Yeah. I don't know if it's plugged in the right spot.
I'm a princess.
Maybe they did the update.
No.
Are you gonna leave that beer bottle over there?
Drinking it.
Oh.
No update.
Maybe they did. Maybe they did the update.
Why it sounds so good.
No?
Then what?
Maybe that's why it said about that sound or something. I gotta make more noise here to figure out what's going on. Huh? The file appears to be damaged and cannot be loaded. Do you want to overwrite and create new save data? Yes.
Everything's gone.
That's alright. Already have... No! No, I don't. Wow, they fixed it, maybe. They did an update because I bothered them.
What did you play?
I don't know. Do I have to do this? I don't want to do this right now. Exit. Do I have to do it? Is that why it's... Alright. Cover her ears. How's that sound? What is this wire here not used? Boy, there's a lot of settings here we gotta do. What? I can't figure out how to work it yet. Where's that sound coming from? I don't know if phono's the right place to have this thing. Watch your ears.
What'd you do?
Trying a different setting. Let's try CD. See what that does. Watch out.
Here she goes.
What? Alright, watch your ears.
Oh, fuck.
Wow. Yeah. This is fucking sick. Alright, now, here's what I want you to do. Give me her. I want you to go. Every speaker, start there. Every speaker. You don't hear nothing out of that one? I don't know. Alright. I can't fucking believe that.
Don't you have to set the TV on surround?
I can't put you in the playpen because you'll scream, right? I know. Come here, Boogie. No, it has nothing to do with the Xbox. Going right from the teeth back to...
Yeah, you gotta put the Xbox.
No, that has to do with the surround sound. Oh, my jaw.
So, you're already pretty familiar with Rocksmith. Would you like to brush up on the basics before we move on? Alright, now let's choose what kind of parts you want to play. Do you plan on playing righty or lefty? Give this one a shot. Awesome. Let's move on. Before we dive into playing songs, let's check your level. Tuned up. We're going to bring up a calibration meter here in a second. When you see it, play your strings hard and fast to make some noise.
I can't. I have a baby.
Do that until we tell you to stop. Then cover the strings to music. Okay, here goes.
Wait, I have a baby. I know, Booga. There's no sound at all. I know, baby, I know. Just wait 1 second, Booga. I'm coming, baby, alright? Man. So much rage that I have. Is this the controller I was using?
Uh-huh. Huh.
It's not even synced. Why? How do you sync it?
The Xbox is frozen.
I'm gonna go up there and just start punching her in the face. I hate her so much. I can't fucking handle this. I don't know what I got her for.